Welcome to this quick stress relief meditation, brought to you by Empowered by Meditation. Take a deep breath and allow yourself to settle into a comfortable position. Feel free to close your eyes or soften your gaze. This meditation is designed to help you release tension and find peace in a few short minutes. Start by taking a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment, then exhale gently through your mouth. With each inhale, imagine drawing in calmness. With each exhale, release any stress or negativity that may be weighing you down. Now, bring your awareness to your body. Notice how it feels, starting from the top of your head. Slowly scan down, relaxing each part of your body as you go. Let go of any tightness or discomfort you might be holding on to. Relax your forehead, your eyes, your jaw. Allow your shoulders to drop, releasing the tension you've been carrying. Let your arms feel heavy, your hands open, relaxed. Feel the weight of your body grounding you to the earth beneath you. Take a moment to appreciate the stillness. If your thoughts wander, gently guide them back to your breath. Remember, this is your time to pause, to reset. Now, imagine a warm, soothing light above your head. This light is peaceful, calming, and healing. With each inhale, feel this light gently wash over you. It moves down through your head, your neck, your shoulders. It flows down your arms, your chest, your abdomen. Allow this light to reach all the way to your feet. With every breath, it brings comfort, calm, and relaxation. As you continue to breathe deeply and evenly, let go of any worries or stress. Picture them dissolving into the air with each exhale. Feel the tension melt away from your body. You are safe, you are calm, you are at peace. Take a moment to simply be, to exist in this peaceful space. There is nothing you need to do right now. Allow yourself to enjoy this moment of stillness and serenity. When you're ready, gently begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Start by deepening your breath. Feel the energy returning to your body. Move your fingers, your toes, stretch if you feel like it. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Remember, you can return to this peaceful state anytime you need. You are calm, you are centered, you are empowered. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. And thank you for joining us today on Empowered by Meditation.